1, 2, 3.
All right, YouTube family. I guess I'll be sending out a real nice invoice check to DJBJ today. I earn my keep, but he gonna cut that check, and that's for sure. It's not about me. It's about this guy, DJBJ21. He's gonna give us a little bit more details on the event that he's got today. I'm gonna go ahead and pass the mic. We could have just held it.
You know what? Look, I want to hold it. So we're here, Ally Challenge in Grand Blanc, Michigan. We got Thomas Rhett. We're opening up for him today. DJBJ on the big stage. We're here on the driving range getting ready. Got about an hour till we kick off, so it should be a good night. Let's go.
BJ couldn't sit still, you know, his ADHD kicked in. He felt like, oh man,
I gotta go see the people.
I gotta walk through the crowd.
Uh-huh. We're looking for friends.
What are you looking for?
Looking for friends right now. Also looking for the first hole, but I don't really know where that's at. All right, it's DJBJ. We're here backstage, getting ready to kick off the Ally Challenge concert. Thomas Rhett, getting ready to start. Got the computer ready. They're doing a sound check right now for the opener, and then we will get out there. So, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, we're here backstage at the Ally Challenge concert. Thomas Rhett. I opened up set for him. About to do another one here in just a couple minutes. First one went really well. We're going to get another one. A little bit more country pop kind of vibe, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We got this, we got a girl, sorry, I don't know her name. I'll insert it here. It'll be right about there. But she's killing it right now, but I need to turn it up a little bit. I had me a couple tequila drinks, and we're gonna have a great time. I see all of my friends out in this crowd. There's supposedly like 18,000 people here, and I'm gonna go out and show you guys here real quick. Check this out right here. We got all of these people right here. Oh yeah, they're all having a great time. VIP is starting to fill up. Right around there. Oh yeah. All right, it's almost time for me to head up. All right, we'll see y'all soon. name of DJBJ21. Follow me on Instagram. Detroit Lions, let's go! Who's ready for Thomas Rhett? Oh yeah, we're having a party tonight. Again, I go by the name of DJBJ21, Detroit Lions official DJ. We having a great time here at the Ally Challenge. Let's see you sing it again.
You want to take that? Here.